In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a clean eating, healthy diet that will help you lose weight and feel better. Hi, welcome to Today's Diet. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most important steps of starting a clean eating lifestyle. This one is for all those people who are looking for an easy way out without having to buy any expensive supplements or cook any complicated recipes. When you're used to one way of eating, especially if it's the way you've eaten most of your life, change can be difficult. Fortunately, it's not impossible to choose clean eating so that you have a healthier, long-lasting life. When you decide that you're going to make changes in how you eat, there's more to it than just staying away from foods that aren't healthy for you. You need to know which foods you should eat in order to get the vitamins and minerals that your body needs to have in order to function properly. Choose the majority of the foods that you eat from the way that nature made them. These will be whole foods like you would find on any healthy eating plan. You should eat plenty of whole grains along with fruits and vegetables. Use only dairy products that are low in fat. When you do eat plant products such as nuts, buy the brand that doesn't use salt. Additional salt in a product can push your sodium level over the healthy limit. You'll want to stay away from as many processed foods as possible. Because life is what it is with time crunches, you might end up having to choose a processed food every now and then. If that's the case, choose the healthiest food from among your choices. For example, if you have to buy a boxed pasta, make sure that you pick the one that's whole grain. Look over the label carefully. The more ingredients listed on the side, the higher the odds there are some dangerous additives in the box. For the healthiest result, pick the foods that have short labels with a list of ingredients that you can understand. Clean eating means that you need to watch the amount of sugar that goes into your eating plan. Foods that contain sugar can cause you to develop a sugar addiction. Plus, the additional added sugar can lead to weight gain and health problems. How many times a day that you eat is just as important with clean eating as what you eat. The number one reason that drives people to unhealthy eating is hunger. When you allow yourself to get so hungry that you feel as if you need to eat immediately, it's easier to grab something that's not healthy for you. When you eat only 3 meals a day, you have long periods of time to cause your glucose levels to fall. At the same time, your metabolism slows down when you space your meals out that far apart. Instead, eat at least 5 meals a day. You'll want these meals to be smaller than if you were eating a 3-meal plan. What eating at least 5 times a day will do for you is it keeps your glucose levels steadier, and it also keeps your metabolism from slowing down. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe below and hit the notifications bell. Thanks so much. Hope to see you soon for my next video.